Hey guys, Scamula here. This is a fairly short video, call from the floods from a while back, quite a while back. And the funniest part of it was my name in it. So enjoy.
Hello, ma'am. How can I help you?
Yeah, you guys called me, I guess, about an iPhone.
Okay, madam, could you just verify me with your first and your last name so that I can check the details on the server and I'll let you know about.
Absolutely. It's Kenya. First name is Kenya. Last name is Swallow.
Okay, and your last name?
Swallow.
Okay, madam. Just give me a moment, madam. Let me just check the details, okay?
Okay.
What exactly I can see on the server that someone has made an online purchase of an Apple iPhone of amount $529 from the Amazon.
Oh,
So do
Jesus.
you authorize this payment of $529?
So you're seeing that on my account for Kenya Swallow.
Yes, madam.
Damn it. No, I didn't do it. No, it wasn't me.
Okay, that means it was a fraudulent transaction. Even we found that the payment was very suspicious, and that is the reason we were trying to give you a verification call. Okay. So,
Oh,
madam, would you like me to cancel this order for you and refund you with your money?
would you please? Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to send you a cancellation and a refund form on your computer. Okay?
Okay.
You just be in front of the computer, madam.
Okay.
And let me know, okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And what was
My name is Steve Wilson, madam.
Steve Wilson? Hi, how are
All
you
right.
doing, Steve? Okay, so what do I need to do here? Steve,
I agreed that you would keep my account.
This is Steve. How can I help you?
hi.
Yes, madam. How can I help you?
Yes, I was just talking to Steve Wilson and I got disconnected. I guess there was an iPhone.
This is Steve.
Who is this?
Yes, this is Steve Wilson, madam.
Okay. Yes, we were just talking. This is Kenya Swallow. What happened?
Okay, so what do you want me to do, madam?
No, I'm asking. No, we were just on the phone and you wanted me to get on my computer, but then you hung up.
Okay, I believe the call got disconnected. So are you working in front of the computer, madam?
Yes, I am. This is Kenya. We're,
Okay,
remember we were just on the phone 5 minutes ago? Is this the same person?
right, madam. Right, madam.
Okay,
So
this is
what I'm going
Kenya
to do is,
Swallow.
see, as it was, I got you, madam.
Oh, okay.
And let me inform you that as it was a fraudulent transaction, so what we are going to do is we are simply going to get you connected with the Amazon server, okay, so that we can provide you with a cancellation form on your computer, okay?
Okay.
So right now, what do you see on the computer? Let me know, madam.
I see a lot of stuff on the computer. There's something I'm looking for?
Sorry,
Well, I
madam,
see a computer. What am I looking for?
you do one thing. Look at your keyboard.
Okay.
At the extreme left-hand side bottom corner of the keyboard, you will find a CTRL key, control key. Do you see that?
Um, yeah, I see that.
And right beside the control button, madam, which key do you see?
Um, oh, that FN key. The
And
FN
right
key.
beside the FN, madam?
I have no idea what that one is. It's like I don't know, has like four
Four
boxes on it.
square. All right. That is the Windows key, madam. Okay.
Oh,
Now
okay.
listen to me very carefully. You need to just press and hold the Windows key. Press it down and hold it with your one finger. Do not release your finger, madam. Press it down and hold it, and
What
then
finger?
you
What finger do I have to use?
any finger, madam.
Can I use
You
my
need to
middle?
just press it down and hold it.
Can I use my middle finger?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I have my middle finger on the
Press
Windows.
it down and hold it.
Okay, I'm holding it. I'm pressing down and holding.
And press the letter R. R as in Roger at the same time.
Okay. What finger should I use for that one?
Now what do you see, madam?
Um, oh, probably the run box that you're trying to get me to pull up, right?
All right. All
Okay.
right. Now you need to type in the open panel what I'm spelling out to you.
Okay.
Type in over there www dot
Okay.
the letter S as in Sam,
S
U as in umbrella,
U
P as in Peter,
Okay.
R as in Roger,
All right.
E as in Echo,
Okay.
M as in Michael,
Okay.
O as in Oscar,
Okay.
C as in Charlie,
Okay.
O as in Oscar,
Okay.
N as in Nancy,
Okay.
T as in Tango,
Okay.
R as in Roger,
All right.
O as in Oscar,
Okay.
L as in Lima.
All right.
Put a dot over there, madam, a
Okay.
period,
Okay.
then com, C-O-M, com.
Okay.
Now read it back to me.
Um, S. Okay, so S is in shithead, U is in umbrella, P is in P, R is in Romeo, E is in echo, M is in mother, O is in Oscar, C is in cuss, O is in Oscar, N is in no, T is in troll, R is in Romeo, O is in Oscar, L is in Lima.com. Is that right?
Okay, now click on OK underneath that, madam. Yes, madam. It's
Okay.
correct. Now click on OK.
Okay.
Now what do you see?
There is, it comes up, oh, it pulls up. It says we use technical cookie. We use technical cookie
Click on Accept.
Okay. All
Now
right.
what do you see?
Then there's, it looks like Supremo remote desktop control made easy and
Now,
download
see, this
by
is
Supremo. Yeah?
madam, this
Uh-huh.
is a software by which you will get connected with the Amazon server.
Okay.
Okay? So do you see a box which says download? The blue box?
Yes, that's the first box.
Click on that.
Okay.
Now what do you see, madam?
It looks like it wants, oh, something just came up down in the corner. Like,
Mm-hmm.
do I need
Click
to
on
open
that.
that? Okay, I click on that.
Yes, madam.
Okay. All right.
Now what do you see, madam?
Okay, so it popped up. It looks like it's, if I want to run this, Do I trust this
Yes,
program?
click on
Okay.
run.
Okay.
Now what do you see?
It's another okay or yes or no.
Okay, click on yes.
Okay. Okay. Do I just keep hitting
What do
the
you see now?
do I just keep hitting the accepts or the positives or whatever?
Yes, click on accept.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Now what do you see?
Okay, it looks like, hold on. It looks like it says your credentials, like something popped up, it looks like, with
Yes,
numbers.
and do you see, madam, do you see your ID and the password?
Yes, I do.
You need to confirm me with the ID number, madam.
Okay. All right.
Confirm me with the ID number.
Okay. It is 607-436-235.
Okay, and the password? No, madam, it's not correct.
Yes, it is. That's it.
Can you confirm me once again what you said?
Yeah, it's 607
Mm-hmm.
463 235.
No, madam, it's not correct. Check the ID properly.
Okay. 607 436 235. Steve?
This is Steve. How can I help you?
Hi, Steve. It's still Kenya. Why are you
Sorry,
trying to
madam.
hang up? Why'd you try to hang up?
I think, madam.
What, honey?
At extension 100.
Well, that was the end of that one. Scamula out.